up, everybody? Ryan here. Got another no AC for you. I'm in Monaca, PA. They stated that it's not working and it stinks. And when I went in to check with the manager, it stinks. Electrical burn, more than likely a blower motor, but let's hop up on the roof, see what we got. Huh. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Is it that one? Make our way over to the unit. Yeah. Boy, that was considerate of somebody. Locked down. Permanent fixture. Very nice. Okay, let's see if we can figure out which unit we're working on here. I believe it's this carrier right here. This is the one. Well, let's figure out what's so stinky. Well, let's take a look here. Oh yeah, oh boy. I can smell it. Oh boy. Look at that. What is that? Oh, whatever it is, it came out of that motor. She's cooked, boys. She's cooked. Let me see. Oh, and she's seized up. Not good. Yeah. Yeah, I can't even turn it. That's a done deal right there. It's windy up here. It's charbroiled, guys. We got burnt wires. Oh yeah. We are seized up. All the insides melted out. Look at that. Oh man. It's all melted out the bottom. Oh yeah. Let's take a look in here. All the windings are cooked. Cooked, I say. Yeah, buddy. So, needless to say, they're getting a motor, a pulley, a belt, and a wiring repair. And take a little snapshot of the data plate. I'll get a measurement on that pulley. I'll get a belt size. Yeah, man. I can't even turn it. Said they reset the breaker. I don't know if they just turned it off and turned it back on, but we'll check here and see if there's power. With those wires touching, I'm assuming they were popping breaker. Yeah, that motor's well done. Contactors look like they could use a little. This one looks good. That one's pretty burnt, but not as burnt as the motor. Well, let's take a look and see if we've got power here. Breaker is tripped, which I thought it was going to be. So we will leave this unit off. I'll go down and we will reset the breaker. That way, if it's not me that comes back, nobody has to go looking for the breaker. The power will already be on up here to the disconnect. So let me get this put back together. This may be the shortest video I've ever made, if I even put it up. I'm gonna go test the compressor too, make sure it's good. We'll give this compressor a quick look, take a peek at this condenser fan. That looks good. And maybe go on a tool hunt. You guys want to go on a tool hunt? Maybe we'll get lucky today. We'll do that here shortly. Well, electrically the compressor is good. I've got continuity. Oops. Get on there through the windings. Nothing is shorted to ground. So I'm gonna stick the wires back on. I'm gonna put the cover back in place. And most likely it's just gonna be a motor and some wiring repairs on this when we come back. Filters look good. All right. Go ahead and dump this out. They're just gonna have to be hot for a little while. They got one unit here. Not much I can do. I don't stock these on the van. Make sure to clean that out real good when we come back. I'm gonna get these panels back on, and then it's time for a tool hunt. The tool hunt.